Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make watercolor abstract art. I applied watercolor with brush on stamp. This is a handmade stamp which I made by cutting a craft foam and sticking it to the back of a cardboard with double-sided tape. There is absolutely no plan what I am doing. I just start and do what I think. The watercolor paints I am using here are from different brands. Watercolor art is a fun process to do. Now I am adding some marks. You can use all kind of brushes and experiment. Adding details with gel pens, you can use anything like markers, watercolor pens, acrylic paints. You can doodle any shape you want. Just enjoy the process of creating art. Do not overthink, go with the flow. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you are inspired to play abstract with your watercolors.